Hey guys, welcome back to another quick phone video. In today's video, do I have a good unboxing for you guys, or should I say another good unboxing for you guys? So in today's video, we're going to be doing the unboxing and first boot up of the new Samsung Galaxy A10e, now officially on Boost Mobile. Like I said, this phone came out to Boost Mobile on July 15, but it actually came available to boostmobile.com yesterday, July 16, and today I express shipped it and got it in today, so I can review it, unbox it, all that cool stuff. But first, let's get to the unboxing and the first boot up. So let's go ahead and check out the box, guys, before we pop it open. You know how the channel goes and the video. So let's look at it real quick. So very nice logo on the top, Boost Mobile, of course. Unlimited data, talk, and text. And then, of course, let's look at the phone picture. Overall, I think it looks nice. Does have that teardrop, geez. Notch on the top, if you can see that right there, so pretty cool. I do like the colors of the wallpaper. It's like orange fading to like a pink on the bottom, and of course you have like a darker blue on the top fading to a lighter blue on the bottom, so I think that's pretty cool. So everything looks nice, of course, Samsung layout. So let's go into the specs, because I know there's a lot of spec junkies out there. So pretty cool. So it says Samsung Galaxy A10e, guys. Whoop whoop. So remember, this is not to get it mixed up with the Samsung Galaxy S10e, because I think a lot of people, when you first kind of hear it, you're like, oh, so it's the flagship phone? No, trust me, this is far from a flagship phone, guys. This is a budget device in the new A series for Boost Mobile and Samsung, of course, mainly Samsung since it's their product. So let's look at the specs real quick. This is rocking a 5.8-inch HD plus display. 8-megapixel main camera, guys. This does have two cameras, one in the back and one in the front. So some phones like the A20, I believe, have 2 cameras in the back. That one has 3 cameras. So 2 cameras in the back and 1 in the front. But this one just has 1 in the back and 1 in the front. Like I said, this is ultra budget design. So 8-megapixel main camera, 5-megapixel front facing camera, as you can see right there. Sorry. 32 gigs of ROM, so 32 gigs of internal storage, and then 2 gigs of RAM, guys. Like I said, 2 gigs of RAM. I don't know how I feel about that. I guess it's a super budget phone. Like I said, you can pick this phone up for $100 through boostmobile.com currently, so I guess I can live with 2 gigs. I wish they had 3 gigs, but like I said, they're reserving that for the other variants of this phone. So yeah. So 32 gigs of internal storage. We'll see how much we actually get to use, because remember, software does use some of it. Then you do get it looks like a dual 1.6 gigahertz plus a hexa 1.35 gigahertz processor. So this is the Exynos, I believe, not a Snapdragon. So let's go ahead and check that out. I'm excited. So let's finish off by looking at the box. Try and do this with one hand since I'm holding the mic. So nothing really on the side, just Boost Mobile logo, and then same thing, says no contracts right there, so pretty cool. The side, you get just a 4G LTE logo, and then on the other side, on the right side, you're just getting like the terms and conditions. So let's head to the back of it, where we're gonna get even more specs on it. So here it is, very nice. Samsung Galaxy A10e. Like I said, let's just quickly go through these specs so we can get to the good stuff. 5.8-inch HD plus display, 3000 milliamp battery, guys. So this phone does rock a 3000 milliamp battery. Talk time up to 23 hours. For a size battery like this, I think that's good and it's average. 8-megapixel, like I said, main camera. 5-megapixel front facing camera. I want to test these cameras out because I don't know, that Stylo 5 had a 5-megapixel front facing camera, and like I said, man, that was kind of I don't know, it wasn't the best. But you know, apart from that, 32 gigs of ROM, that's 32 gigs of internal storage, 2 gigs of RAM, Android OS, which I'm guessing it's gonna have Pi. We'll check that out. Same thing, 4G LTE with 2x20 CA and HPUE. And then, of course, the processor is a dual 1.6 gigahertz hexa 1.35 gigahertz processor. So pretty cool. And then, of course, here it says pick a plan, activate, and payment. So yeah, let's go ahead and pop this open, guys. So I'll get back to it once we actually are in these phones, because This, I don't know what they do. I think they put crazy glue, but it gets pretty hectic getting this out. So let me go ahead and open this. All right, guys, so now that we have it, let's go ahead and pop it open. So let's go ahead and see how the box looks. I always like seeing how these boxes look. So slowly, whoa, look at that. Check it out, guys. Look at this. Put this on the side right there, and let's go ahead and focus. Let's go ahead and focus on this box. Very nice white box. Right off the bat, you can see even more details of this phone, how it looks, and I do like the big A10e logo on the front. Very nice. I like this box. Just how they designed it. So Samsung Galaxy A10e, same thing on the side right there. On the right side, you don't get nothing. That's where you get to open it. Top, nothing as well. The bottom, nothing but a little barcode. And then on the left side, same thing, nothing. Let's look at the back before we open this up. So let's check this out, guys. So it says Samsung Galaxy A10e, 32 gigabytes. So right off the bat, it does say 32 gigs. And then, of course, I'll tell you what it contains. Usually, sometimes these boxes have specs on the back, but I'm surprised that this one doesn't. I guess, you know, they finally learned it. So let's go ahead and pop this open. Alrighty, guys, now that we have all the tape and all that stuff removed, let's go ahead and check it out. Whoo! Wow, look at this thing. Right off the bat, just from looking at it, it does look smaller than most phones that are coming out. Especially after unboxing that Stylo, Stylo 5, that thing was massive. It was like 6.2 inches or something like that. It was massive. But overall, it's pretty cool. I do like that the Samsung charger, how it looks, kind of reminds me of the S series chargers. But overall, it's nice. I mean, it is plastic and everything, but it feels good. And then let's go ahead and look at the charging cable. So, as you can see, it is going to be a Type-C. I don't know if it'll focus or not, but it is going to be a Type-C. Doesn't look that long, maybe 3 or 4 foot long cable. But like I said, that's not what we're super interested in right now. Let's keep going in through it. You do have your SIM extractor tool right here. As you can see, there's the SIM extractor tool. Very nice that it comes with it. So, of course, non-removable battery. And then you do get your terms and conditions right here. But the real present is right here, guys. This is the phone. So let's go ahead and check it out. Very, very nice. I like that it is sealed in plastic. Doesn't weigh that much, really. So let's go ahead and take the plastic off and fully feel it. Whoa, oh my God. First impressions, guys, just looking at the screen and feeling the screen. And overall, the build quality of it feels very nice. This is a beautiful phone. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Yes, maybe the specs are not the best, but Samsung does not disappoint when it comes to design. So far, so good. I like it. It's so smooth in back. Yes, it's plastic, so you probably want to get a case on it. But let's go ahead and check it out. Let's look how Samsung made this. So teardrop notch on the top, as you can see right there. So very nice, good way of hiding it. On the right side, you do have your power button and volume up and volume down. So very, very nice. I like that. Buttons feel premium, do not feel cheap at all. On the left side, you do have where your SIM card and your SD card go. So that's where you use that SIM extractor tool. On the top, you do have a mic. And then, of course, on the bottom part of this phone, fill focus, you do have your 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Whoop. So as you can see, you do have your 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, and of course your charging port, and then bottom firing speaker. So that's pretty cool that it does have bottom firing speakers. That way it doesn't muffle through the back. So speaking about the back, let's go ahead and check out the back. So like I said, very nice, kind of a darker blue, maybe a navy dark blue, something like that. But overall, there's the 8 megapixel rear facing camera with a flash. Very nice. I do like the Samsung logo in the back as well. And then of course it has a little bit of writing right there, but overall looks very nice. So let's go ahead and power her up. And then of course you do have your earpiece right on the top, guys. I don't know if you can see it, but it is on top. Very excited, guys. Like I said, overall in the hand it feels premium. It is plastic, but hey, you know, I felt a lot cheaper phones. So let's go ahead and let that boot up, and I'll continue once everything is done. All right, guys, so that was very quick. That's probably the fastest phone I have actually went through all the options, so I was very surprised. So shout outs to Samsung for not taking forever, I guess. Like the Cool Pad took forever, I swear, to activate or to go through the process. Style 5 took a little bit, and even the Motos, but this one took no time, so super cool. Another thing that I want to share with you guys is once you're going through the setup steps, it does ask for facial recognition. So this phone does have facial recognition, so you can unlock your phone by just looking at it. So pretty cool. So right off the bat, looks like Samsung just, you know, software on here and skin, of course, Android skin over it. Very nice. Reminds me of a Galaxy S10, guys. If you guys know, have you ever seen or activated Galaxy 10 or 10 Plus or anything like that? That's what it'll remind you, even a Galaxy S9. So very, very nice. I like that, you know, feature. So it looks like teardrop notch on the top. Doesn't bother me whatsoever. Let's go ahead and do the drop down menu. So here we go. We do have the notification bar or quick shortcuts as well. So we have Wi-Fi calling, sound, Bluetooth, auto rotate, airplane mode, flashlight, power mode, mobile data, blue light filter, mobile hotspot, location. Then of course we have smart view, which I like a lot. Do not disturb, secure folder, sync, Dolby Atmos, which of course you have to have headphones, unlike, you know, the Galaxy 9 or 10 where you can just activate it. I do like that it does have night mode. I love that feature on my Galaxy S9. So I'm happy that it has it on here. I'll disable it for the video, but like I said, I would keep it in a dark mode or night mode, should I say. I just like it. So then we go to your settings. Well, let me go ahead and disable that. Like I said, that way you guys can see it better in the video. So here we go. Here's the settings, guys. So connection, not much in the connections. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, airplane mode, voice, network, mobile data, of course, all that good stuff. Of course, then we have sound and vibration, notification, display, wallpaper, themes, lock screen. As you can see right here, guys, this is where you can do the lock screen, and it does have for the Face ID or facial recognition, so you can unlock it that way. So pretty cool about that. From there, biometric security, doesn't have a fingerprint sensor. So I guess this is just where you set up your face on the top. And then count, backup, advanced features, one-handed mode, motions, gestures, all that good stuff. Reduce animations will speed up, of course, the phone. So no cheating just yet. Digital well-being, that's pretty cool. Device care, so this will tell you battery, storage. Let's go ahead and look at the storage real quick. So it's checking the storage right now, guys. Wow. So system used 10 gigabytes. Wow, it used 10 gigabytes. So available storage is 21.4 gigs. Not bad. But wow, yeah, 10 gigs out of the bat. Just, you know, like I said, software is going to use up all that. So that's crazy. But there you go, guys. So you'll get about 21.4 gigs to use. And then about phone, let's go ahead and see what version it's rocking here. So One UI, and there you go. It's the One UI from Samsung. That's why it looks like all the other Samsungs. I like that skin a lot. I think a lot of people have praised it. And then Android version 9. So let's just quick look at some things that you get here, like the camera. Camera looks decent. Well, even has the zoom in feature, so really reminds me of my Galaxy 9, guys. Of course, it doesn't have all the features, but it does have a pro mode, and then of course video mode, HDR, very nice, like I said. But we'll get more into that later on. Then of course you swipe up to get to your apps, so very nice. So pretty cool, guys. What do you think? Like I said, I actually kind of like this. I might actually replace my Samsung J3 Achieve with this phone because it's only $100, and I actually got it using using a promo code, and I got 10% off. And how did I do that? I use Honey. So if you guys want to download Honey for your web browser, you can by using my promo code and my link in the description below or in the end of this video, guys. That will give you the best promos and discounts when they're available. So there you go. I didn't even know there's a discount available, and I was able to use it and save 10% off my Boost Mobile purchase. It does work on Boost Mobile, Amazon, Best Buy, eBay, any major retailers like Walmart, anything like that. So let's say use my link in the description below. I will get a little bit of commission, guys. If you do use my link, it will help me bring more devices to you guys. It's totally free. It's 100% free. So download it. So pretty cool. Another way you can support me, guys, if you like these videos, so I can bring more stuff to you guys, like I said, is you can click the join button in the description below or the end of this video, and you can actually earn extra perks and all that good stuff. So like I said, as low as $2 a month or up to $5, you can join the channel and get extra perks. Or you can check out my number one supporter, netbuddy.co. They offer true unlimited AT&T Hotspot, never throttle or capped, for only $65 a month. But if you use my link and promo code at checkout, you will save $5. That promo code is Sanchez45973. Thank you so much, guys. Check out Honey. Like I said, it's free, 100% free. Check out netbuddy.co and join the channel. So thank you so much.